Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to transfer money from your Venmo account to PayPal account. So first things first, is it possible to transfer money from your Venmo account to PayPal account directly? Nope. But there is a roundabout way to do it. Let's see how. First of all, once you open your Venmo app, you will notice you are at the home page and there's a kebab icon to your top left corner. And all you have to do is click that. Once you click that, you will notice an interface like this, which shows home, settings, etc. all these settings. To your top right corner, you will notice a manage balance option right below your profile, and you have to click that. And once you click that, you will be given two options, either transfer to bank or add money. You have to click transfer to bank, and obviously you will be transferring to your PayPal account, bank account. Once you do that, you will have to fill out the credentials to your bank account, and once you're done with that, it will ask you whether you want to transfer or not. Just click the transfer button and you are done. And just like that, it's done. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Cheers.